Colleen Hoover, the best-selling author whose romantic tales have captivated millions. But behind the seemingly perfect facade lies a web of controversy, allegations, and questionable choices that have left many fans feeling betrayed. Colleen Hoover. Her name is synonymous with romance, right? But what if the love stories we've been devouring are actually glorifying something far more sinister? We're talking about domestic violence, abuse, and the insidious ways these themes are woven into her narratives. Millions of readers have fallen in love with her characters, but many are now questioning whether they've been unwittingly drawn into a world